In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms into your website using Tally. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First, open your browser and head over to Tally's website, which is a fantastic free online form builder. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with several ways to sign in. We'll choose Continue with Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Just select your Google account from the list. If you're not already signed into Google, you'll need to enter your credentials, but if you are, simply click on your account to proceed. After you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you can see all your projects or forms you've previously created. Select the form you want to embed on your website. Now, a crucial part here is to publish your form, so click on the Publish button if you haven't done so already. Right after that, you'll want to click on Share. This will bring you to a window with several embedding options, and you have the flexibility to choose from a standard embed, a full-page embed, or a pop-up. Depending on how you want your form to appear on your website, select the option that suits your needs best. After selecting the type of embed, the next thing to do is click on Get the Code. Tally will generate an HTML code for you. All you need to do is copy this code. Be careful to ensure you copy everything precisely so the form displays correctly on your site. The final step is to embed this code into the HTML of your website. Navigate to the section of your site where you'd like the form to appear. This could be a contact page, landing page, or anywhere else you find it appropriate. Paste the copied HTML code into the source code of your website. If you're using a website builder like WordPress, Wix, or others, they often have options to paste HTML directly into a block or widget, simplifying the process even further. Once you've pasted the code, save your changes and refresh your website to ensure that everything is working properly. You should see your Tally form embedded seamlessly into your site, ready to capture information from your visitors. Always test the form by filling it out to ensure all fields work as expected and that submissions reach their intended destination. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a form into your website using Tally. This is a fantastic way to collect information efficiently from your users. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.